Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can withdraw funds from your Binance account and transfer it to your Wise account. So let's say you have a USDT or any cryptocurrency in your Binance account and you want to transfer it to your Wise dollar account. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you step by step on how you can do this. So the first thing you want to do now is to log into your Binance account. So once you've logged into your Binance account, you want to move the USDT you want to transfer to your Wise account to your funding account. So I'm going to go to my wallet, then come to fiat and spot here. So from fiat and spot, I'm going to be transferring the money I want to transfer to my Wise account. All right, so I have 37 USDT under USDT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then click on transfer. All right, so as you can see, it says from fiat and spot. So I'm going to scroll down, then click funding here. So we have funding here, so I'm going to click funding. Then I'm going to indicate how much I want to transfer. So I'm going to click on max. So I'm going to be transferring everything to my funding account. So I'm going to click on confirm. So the money has been moved to my funding account. So the next thing I want to do now is to go back to peer-to-peer. All right, so I'm going to come here, then click on P2P trading. All right, so this is P2P trading, and all right, so this is P2P trading. So what we're going to do now is you're going to come over here, then this fiat, you're going to change it to USD. All right, so I'm going to change this to USD. So after changing to USD, the next thing you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on sell. So remember, we want to move the funds from Binance to our Wise account. So we're going to be selling the funds in our Binance account in exchange to our Wise account. So you're going to come over here, then you're going to click on sell. So after clicking on sell, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to payment here. So click on payment here and click on this drop down menu. So here you want to select Wise. All right, so I'm going to click on Wise. So once I click on Wise, it's going to bring out a merchant that I want to buy Wise in exchange for my Binance funds. All right, so the next thing I want to do now is I want to come over here, then indicate how much I want to sell. So once I indicate how much I want to sell, Binance is going to bring out people that are willing to buy the limit of how much I want to buy. So for example, looking at the people here, so the limit for this person is $3,000 and the limit for this one here is over $500. So what we want to do is you want to come here, then indicate how much you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 20 USD. So I'm going to enter 20 USD here, then I'm going to click on search. All right, so these are the people that can buy as low as 20 USD. So the next thing I want to do is I want to look at the completion rate, then I'll go for the higher number, then look at the price if the price is okay for me. So looking at the completion rate here, the highest I have is 96.90% completion rate, and the rate for this is 0.800 USD. So let's scroll up again, then see another one. So this one here is 95.80%. So I'm just going to go with the first one here because this one is way too low compared to what I have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on sell USDT. So after clicking on sell USDT, this is what you're going to have. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then indicate how much you want to actually sell. So just enter $20 here if this is what you want to sell. So you're going to receive 20.0 cents. All right, so for the payment method, if this is your first time, you're going to need to add your payment method. Now the reason I have my email address here is because I've already added my Wise payment gateway. So in your own case, you need to add your Wise payment gateway. So your email address, the email address you used in creating your Wise account is what you're going to be using to receive payments to your Wise account. So once you have that set up, then you are good to go. All you simply need to do is just click on sell USDT. So once you click on sell USDT, the order is going to generate on Binance, and they are going to give you the potential time at which the person has to pay the money. And if the person did not pay the money within the stipulated time, the order is going to be cancelled, and you can now request to sell another USDT. So once they send the payment to you, you can now have the payment in your Wise account. So this is basically how you can move USDT from your Binance account to your Wise account. All right, so this is basically how you can withdraw funds from your Binance account to your Wise account. All right, so if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this.